Analytic Solver transforms Excel into a powerful platform for optimizing inventory management. It addresses complex challenges like demand forecasting, stock replenishment, and cost minimization through easy to set up and traceable modeling in Excel, powered by state-of-the-art optimization engines. These engines include engines such as LP, QP, GRG nonlinear, and much more, as well as advanced commercial solvers such as Groby's Solver Engine, Nitro, and others. Together, these tools deliver optimal solutions, saving time, reducing costs, and driving smarter decisions. For instance, consider a warehouse managing multiple products with varying demands, storage costs, and limited capacity. Using Solver, we can optimize order quantities while accounting for constraints such as storage space and supplier lead time. If storage capacity is changed, a built-in macro allows for an instant recalibration of the model. The optimization runs seamlessly in the background and the updated results are immediately available, ensuring flexibility in real-world scenarios. With Analytic Solver, creating interactive dashboards in Excel is intuitive, efficient, and highly impactful. As inventory challenges grow in complexity, such as seasonal demand fluctuations, changes in production costs, or the availability of storage space, Solver makes it easy to adapt. Join our next webinar to explore Solver's full potential and revolutionize your inventory management today.